Shwmae a chroeso. Welcome to the FAW Cup Draw Show. The Cardiff Wanderers are one of 8 teams aiming to book their place in the FAW Women's Cup semi-final. They're the lowest ranked team left in the competition, and today they host Gennaro Adran South leaders Britain Ferry Llansamwel. I caught up with some of the team a little bit earlier on to find out how they're feeling ahead of one of the biggest matches in the club's history. What does it mean for you to be here in the quarterfinals of the FAW Women's Cup?
For us, it's an absolutely massive achievement. It's proof of all the dedication and hard work that we've put in this year. And we've tried so hard to go into the higher leagues, but we've not been able to due to the infrastructure of the women's game at the moment. It's a perfect opportunity for us to show who we are, what we're about, and what we can achieve.
You've said what it means to be in the quarterfinals. What would it mean to get to that next round?
It would be amazing. It's going to be a really tough game, as we've said, but it would be absolutely incredible to get to the semi-final. So it could happen. We've just got to give it our all today and see what happens.
So how have you developed over the years since you started?
So we've jumped from club to club over the last few years, and then starting as a development team ourselves. And then we came into our own to be able to compete at a higher standard. So we joined Cardiff Wanderers to be a standalone women's team. We've come from playing in, Tier 3 football to now being able to compete with teams from not even the league above, but from the Welsh Prem as well. We've now also developed enough to have a development squad for the girls. So we've gone from such a large squad, and we're able to see all the youth developing from under 8s and our under 16s, our under 15s, and seeing how well they're playing, giving them the opportunity to play within our development and also within the ladies team as well.
So tell me a bit about the background of Cardiff Wanderers, kind of where did it all begin and how have you progressed to now?
Right, so to be fair, I only joined Chris this season. It's really Chris, the manager, is the brainchild, I suppose, of Cardiff Wanderers. He's been with the players, I think, about 5 or 6 years now. They've stuck together. They've progressed through the lower tiers of the Development League onto Tier 3, which they won last year. And hopefully this year, we're looking to progress to Tier 2, really.
Our main goal is to be able to be a sustainable run club. That means we don't have to worry about next month, next season. We want to be an area for women and girls that can play, can have no worries at all, and we can be there and develop women, and also that we can compete in higher leagues, because ultimately I know it's not all about winning, but that's what we want to do. We've shown that we have the skill and the dedication to be able to do that, so proving this now is good enough.
I'm just super proud of how far we've come, because this is a volunteered run club. The effort we put in and the time we put in to try and push ourselves further. George has put in so much effort to this team to help us get sponsors, and we're still striving to get support. So I'm so proud of getting to this point today, and hopefully this exposure will help us grow even more as a club.
Llongyfarchiadau, congratulations, you've booked yourself a place in the semi-final of the FAW Women's Cup. Sum up how you're feeling.
Yeah, we're absolutely delighted as a club. It's massive for us. So, we talked about today in terms of attitude and going into the game. We've had a really good form up until now, so it's just about following that through today. We're obviously concentrating on the league this year and trying to get back to where we belong in the Premier League. But this is just a bonus for us. Like I said, we're absolutely delighted to get this far, and who knows where they can take us now going forward.
Well, congratulations once again, but from a very cold evening in Cardiff to the warmth of FAW HQ, time now for the draw.
Welcome to the FAW headquarters here at Hensall. We've got the semi-final draw for the FAW Women's Cup. Cardiff City and Britain Ferry Llansamwel both won their ties yesterday, but unfortunately 2 games were called off due to the weather. So Cardiff Met versus Llandudno and Wrexham versus Aberystwyth are still to be played. Let's crack on with the draw. Okay. First team out is the Cardiff Met versus Llandudno game. Okay. And they will be playing Cardiff City. So potential there for last season's final to be replayed between Cardiff Met and Cardiff City. The next one is the Wrexham versus Aberystwyth game. So hopefully our final ball we'll have Britain Ferry Lanswell. So that's the draw for the FAW Women's Cup semi-final, with the fixtures to be played on the 19th of February.